Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. I just woke up a little late, but it's okay. So I just heard the alarm. The alarm was beeping here for a long setup for USD yen long on 20 minutes. So I just took the trade and put the SL here. So this is the first entry for tonight. It's going to be very slow. It's a day after the Christmas holiday, so um, yeah, but I'm gonna take the trades anyway just to show that how the system is working. Also in the Asian session, when I usually not, yeah, you don't, I usually don't trade, but I saw a pound CAD, very good setup, and you know that the pound CAD last week I traded very good, and I'm still expecting a drop, so I took that one as well in the Asian session, and this is how it is. This is a sell order here, right? And I'm gonna move this SL right here, and you see that it's already gone down here. And all of these trades last week I had a very good week with this pair, and it is going down a lot. So yeah, so these two are running right now, and let's see if I get more. And as I get them, the alarm is gonna beep. I'll show you. Okay, so bye for now, and I'll be back. Hello everyone, Sam is here again. I just took this EUR-CAD as well, because you know that the pound CAD and EUR-CAD both weekly chart. Let me show it to you. The weekly charts, this is pound CAD. It's been dropping since last week, so I'm on top of that, and I already have the entry on that. So, and the EUR-CAD, where the heck is EUR-CAD chart? Oh, next to it, I can't see it, huh? And see this all the way to the top, so I'm expecting a little drop here as well, right? So if I find the setup, I'll take it. So I found it and I took it. So this is the third one. Let's see what happened. Last week, it gave me a couple of losses, right? But let's say this week, what it does. Well, it's going to drop eventually, so I'll be looking for that. All right, so I'll be back later. Hello again. This is pound CAD going down from the Asian session. I took the entry, and now, as you can see, that 63.88, it went below and then it went up to test the backside of it. 63.88, which is, let me show you where it is. Pound CAD, very important level. 63.88 right here is a monthly high actually, right? So it's drawn here, right? So 63.88, 66.38, and then this, and then I'm expecting it's gonna be 62.33. Okay, so let's see if what is the daily range for this baby here today. Daily range is gonna be, all right, 60-day range going for 177, previous day 90, so far 74. So 74, 100 pip more I can go if I want, right? So let's see, where's my entry, where's the start, but 177 is the total excuse me, daily range. So if you look at this one here, that this is the starting, so the highest point is this wick here, right? So from there, the highest point is 164, exactly, right? 164 minus 177, how much? So that's 63, and then comes 77 more to 62, 33 something. And that's exactly the level 62, around 62.30, right? So you see that 62.33 coming exactly where the daily range is. So you add 70 pip here, 6 to 63, and then 64. 177 pip coming exactly to this monthly low 62.33. So I'm gonna hold on to my trade until then and see what happens. Okay, that's the idea. Now, well, it's a slow time. Maybe it's not gonna post 177, right? But my entry is right there, right? So from my entry on, let's see if I can see that, okay, this is my entry, right? So this is only 50. Let's say my entry is exactly 63.80. So 62.80. Around 62.80. Do we have anything? 62.35, 63, right? Even at 63, I'm okay, 62. That's like 100 pip, less than 100 pips, 80, 70, 80 pip. And at this slow time, right after the day after Monday, Christmas, 70, 80 pip is more than enough. So this is the R1, then, R2 maybe down there. And then, yeah, so far, if let's say less than 100, but limit 70, 80 pips, I'm up now at 52. So maybe 30, 40 pip more, and I'll close and then see. But the night is still young. So if it's keep going, then I'm going to hold on to it. Right. So it's all subjective. It's, but the ballpark is that 62.33 is the big level. That's where the daily range is finishing. Now I have to decide around 70, 80, or 100 if I just take that and run, given that it's the day after the Christmas, it's slow, it's volume low. So maybe it's not going to fulfill the daily range. So let's see what happens. All right. So I'm going to close now. Pause recording and hello, everyone. Sam is here again. This is one of the trade that I took earlier in Asian session. As you know, that the yen and Aussie and Nuzi, these three are Asian currencies, and in Asia, usually these pairs involving these three currencies, right? They move, and after 2 days holiday, Sunday was closed, and it's supposed to open at 5 evening, but it didn't, and then Monday was also. So people seems like a little hungry, the traders. So this was a very good entry. It was ranging. All of a sudden, it dropped here, and then this is where the today started, and beautiful entry all the way down 90 pip already so far. Let's go take a look at the daily range of this pair and how far I can take it to the downside, or maybe I'll simply close it right now and then wait for another entry. So Euro Aussie, if you look at that and we go, no, sorry, not Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, right? And that thing. So what do we have here? We have 190 pip trade, and even on Friday it did 145, and so far day range is 122, right? So 122 pip range already has done. 190 is the target, but it has dropped in a straight line and I have 90 pip positive, and it's S2 right now. So you know what? I'm not gonna be greedy, and I'm just gonna, it's a slow time last week of December. So this is a good trade. Euro Aussie is also running. I'm gonna make the chart and I'll show you, and then I'm not gonna close that one because that is not has dropped this much, but this one is 90 pips so far. Let me see, 90 plus something, right? It's like, let's see, it's 94 pip, right? So I'm gonna record the chart and close this one and then wait for another entry maybe later on. Right, so this one I'm gonna be just like, okay. See, this is how it's done. It's easy. So I will type the 1GA 20 minutes, and it is December 27, 22, and it's a trade. See, this is how I save my chart first before I close, and then I close. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna, oh yeah, okay, this is the chart. I said maybe the refresher started. So this is the pound, and then I'm gonna close this one and set up the Euro Aussie and start watching the Euro Aussie. See what happened. Pause recording. Okay, everyone, this is my pound CAD entry. It's below 63.88. I just showed you earlier, and it is powerfully going to the downside. Maybe I'll close it around S2 as well. I don't trust this day, and they're moving. I'm lucky, yeah, they moved. I was expecting the very slow day, but I closed the pound Aussie for 90, and this pound CAD going down right now, and I will probably be in the money. How much? How many? Let's say here is 84 pip, right? So I will just change it to 80 pip, and I'll be ready as soon as it goes there. I'm going to record the chart and close for 80 pip. No problem. This is 80 here and 90 pound Aussie. So that's 170 pip already. Two trades in the day, and they just started. So later on, pound USD yen is still running, and my oil is still running. And if I get more trades, I'll take and then show it to you guys. All right. So bye for now, and know that if it hits S2, I'm gonna record the chart and close it. Okay. Okay, my pound CAD is almost there. So as soon as it hit the S2, I'll record the chart and I'll close it for 80 pip. Pound Aussie closed for 90, Euro Aussie short running, USD yen long running. Let's see, and something else is beeping on the other computer. Uh, okay, no, that's a setup alarm. That's like a pound USD 40-minute short setup is ready. So after that, after a little while, the 20-minute might be showing up if it's gonna drop. So pound 40-minute, right? So okay, I'll be watching that one. Earlier, a USD index short setup was beeping on 40-minute. So USD gonna drop. So I don't know. It's like a conflict of information. If USD drop, then pound USD is gonna go up. But pound USD making a short setup on a 40. So that's not the chart that I take the trade. I need a setup on a 20-minute chart, like this one. Should I close this one? I don't know. Pound CAD is just messing around. All right, I'm gonna come back. Let's see what happened. Okay. Okay, I just closed this pound Aussie after recording the chart. Here's the chart for 70 pip. So the pound Aussie is 90. This 70 is 160. I'm up now already today. Oil running, USD running, and Euro Aussie running. So let's see what happens. Euro Aussie, I'm sitting on a break even. Let me show it to you. No, let me just make the chart first, and then oil is running on the other computer. So once the trade is closed, then I'm gonna bring it here and then show the chart on this computer. Okay, so let's see pound Aussie how that is doing. Yeah, see, it's rising now, exactly hitting after the S2. But I got the 90, and then pound CAD. I was expecting that it will go up, but as soon as the reversal candle happened, it says bye bye. It's gonna retrace. Give me another entry, and I'll go ahead. Again, it's like 5 a.m. in the morning. I got the rest of the London session and then US session, and this thing is about to drop big time here. See this? Well, this is Euro Aussie. See pound CAD? It's just starting. It's got to go a long way. So entry after entry after entry, I'm gonna keep taking them. All right. So this is how it is. So two trades are closed, 160 positive already. No losses as of today, as of now. And let's see. I'm going to make the chart for Euro Aussie and then come back. Okay. Euro Aussie, my trade is gone. Okay. So SL hit, and before I do anything, it's just gone. So at break even, of course. This was the entry. I just came back here so I can make the chart and write down all the things. And the entry was here. From here to here it came, and then boom, it gone. If you give me another entry, I'm going to take it. Okay, because this is also supposed to drop. Let me show you Euro Aussie. Look at that. Right, so nice shooting star right at the level. 58.27 is a big level, and the trend line is right there, so it needs to drop here. So pound Aussie, Euro Aussie need to drop. Pound CAD, Euro CAD, big time. I made the entry on Euro CAD too, but I'm not even looking at it. So that thing has given me a headache last week. 2 losses there, around 40 pips. So let's see what happens. Let's see. Okay, so I'll be back. Hello, everyone. See, this is what I'm talking about. If it would be any other day, I would not close this for 70 pip because the daily range is big. So now you see it bounced, and I was expecting that I will close at least S2. So it hit the S2 and keep going. It's keep going now. So pound CAD weekly, you can see here that last 177 is the daily range. It has traveled on Friday 90 pip, and so far this day it's 107. So it actually has a lot to go, but I closed it early because I had another pound Aussie for 90 pip already closed, right? This is 70 pip, and this is the very next day trading open for. I mean, after the Christmas, and today is England bank holiday. So based on that, basically, I close. Otherwise, you can see that pound CAD chart, weekly chart showing a big drop coming in, and every entry can go a long way. Similarly, pound Aussie, you look at it. My chart was I made it on Saturday and gave it to my subscribers that like the downside below 87, 81.37, and we already had a week below that, and now it's dropping. And the target would be 76.50, right? And similarly, Euro Aussie, it has to drop a lot. At least coming here is 54.93. Right now is pretty high. But it's right now it's retracing on my 20-minute chart. I'm watching it. So it dropped below 58.27 and is going back to test the 58.27 from underneath, and it's going to drop from there. So I'm going to take it. Okay. So this is how it's done. All right. So bye for now, and we'll come back with more update. By the way, after closing 90 pip in pound Aussie, this was the entry. Then it retraced, gave me another entry. I got in here. Let's see what happened. I just made an entry. I'm going to move my SL to just high, just for this, for the safety. So let's see what happens. All right. So, and the Euro Aussie, I'm still waiting for 58.27 to give me a rejection and an entry. So I'll take that as well. All right. So I'll be back. Hello, everyone. Like I said earlier, that Euro Aussie start beeping here. See that? So I open the sell order here, and my SL is right there. And there's another one now going on. So let's see what happens. I will update you. Later on, my EUR-CAD is now going very nicely to the downside. Okay? For the first time. Last week, it gave me a couple of losses. So I'm going to recover that. And what else? So yeah, let's see. I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna go take a nap because I'm really sleepy right now. All right. So Euro Aussie, I was actually waiting. So if I can open that and then I go to sleep. So here we go. All right. So I'll be back for more update. Hello, everyone. I just woke up to see what's happening. Euro yen. I told you I'm gonna take my revenge. It's going down nicely. All right, I'm gonna go back to sleep, man. I'm too sleepy. I'll come back and do whatever I have to do. Okay. Pound yen. Okay, let me go see what happened in pound yen. giving me a short setup. See, I told you my pound CAD target is 62.33. That stupid thing came all the way to 62.33 and hit that. I close here. So how many pip I miss? 100 pip. I could have had that easily, but no worry, no worry, don't worry. This EUR-CAD is giving me that, right? This is going now down. All right, so let's see. What else? What else? USD yen, is it going up now nicely? Yes, yeah. Not too much, but yeah, a little bit. So let's see. I'm still in few trades, so but yeah, man, pound CAD. If it would be any other day, not the day after the Christmas, that I would hold on to it, but hey, that's it. That's okay. Hello, everyone. This EUR-CAD now is at 43.46, and it is a big level in EUR-CAD here. It's a monthly high, so 43.46. The next level is 42.43, which is way down there, but I'm up like 70 pip here. And like I said, given the day and the time, and it's 9:40 now, 9:40 a.m. Your session started already, so I'm gonna close this one also right here, and enough is enough, and I have a one-on-one to do, so I'm gonna go and do that. All right, so I'll be back with more updates. Hello, everyone. Sam is here again. I'm about to close everything because I have one-on-one to do, and I don't want any disturbance in that. So, and I have enough for today. Let me show it to you. These three I have, actually not these three. Let me just close this, and I recorded even the small one that I'm about to close. Usually I don't, but just to show. So 90 pip here, pound Aussie, and this pound CAD I closed for 70, and this EUR-CAD I closed for 70. So 140 and 90, 230 and 40, 270 and 35, 305, 305 pip. I'm closing these pound Aussie and Euro Aussie second entries. They are right there live right now. See that? So this the first one. I mean this one, the first one, yeah. So this is 35 pip right here. So I'm gonna close that, and pound Aussie second entry. The first one was this 90 pip, and then second is right there. So I'm gonna close these, and I'm gonna go and prepare myself for one-on-one class. So bye for now, and hopefully talk to you guys later.